Good morning students. Today we will discuss the topic collection of data. Okay. So firstly we will discuss about the meaning of collection of data. So that what is data, then primary and secondary sources. Then what is primary data and what is secondary data. Then we will talk about the difference between primary and secondary data. Okay. Difference in primary and secondary data. Okay. And secondary data. So in statistics, we mean statistics will include two meaning of statistics, that is singular and plural. So in plural meaning, we take statistics mean quantitative information. Okay. So what is collection of data means? It means that firstly we will talk about only the data. That what is data? What is data? What is data? So what is data? Anything which can be expressed in numerical number. Okay. Or we can say that any information which is capable to express in numerical numbers is called data. Okay. For example, I am saying there is 8 sugar mill in Haryana compared to 20 in Punjab. So this is data. Because this information that I am having, that there is 8 sugar mill in Haryana and 20 sugar mill in Punjab, this information can be expressed in numerical numbers. So this is called data. Okay. Other example, we can say that there are 20 students in 11th K that those got first division in 10th class. Okay. So this is data because this information can be expressed in numerical number. Okay. So why there is need of collection of data? Collection means to collect, to gather the information. Okay. So why there is need of collection of data? So in economics, why we need collection of data? If there can be need of an any field, but as we are talking in terms of all economics, so in economics, why we need collection of data? For example, as an economics student, you want to know the problem of poverty, percentage of poverty in India, problem of unemployment in India, then you need to collect the data. Okay, that how much people are poor in India, how much percentage of unemployment in India. Okay, so we need to collect data. Okay, and if I want to know the pocket money of your class, then there should be need of collection of data. So to get the information, there is need of collection of data. Okay. So mainly now we have collected the data. Okay, we have talked about the collection of data means what is data and collection of data. Data means any information which can be expressed in numerical number, that is data. And why there is need of collection of data? If we want to know the problem like poverty, unemployment, inflation, then we need to collect the data. Okay. So there are primary and secondary. To collect the data, we need sources. For example, we want to know that how much students got first division in 10th class in our school. So we need sources, that from where we can get this information. Okay. So mainly in statistics there is two sources, primary first hand source, or we can say the investigator who are investing, he himself collect that data. Okay. And secondary source means the data are already collected by anybody and we use that data to for our own information. हम अपने information के लिए उन data को use कर रहे हैं and that data are already collected by anybody else. So this is called secondary source. For example, primary data means we want to know that what is the percentage of poverty in Rajasthan. So if I am taking primary source, then I am myself going to the areas and collecting information from the people. If I am taking consumption parameter or income parameters, then I am taking information from the people that what is their consumption level, what is their per capita income. Okay. So I am collecting the data, that is primary source. Okay. And secondary source means that data means anybody already collected this data and I am using those sources, like I am using any magazine, newspaper for the information, that is secondary source. Okay. There is also type of data, that primary data and secondary data. Primary data we means that source means that by which method I am collecting the data, and primary data means that I myself going to the areas, collecting information from the people and getting data relating to income and per capita income to know the rate of poverty in Rajasthan. So that is primary data. Okay, that is primary. Means I myself collecting the data. But if there is data already published in any magazine, okay, or any government paper, and I am using that source for my information, okay, in my research, that is secondary. So first, primary data is also called first hand data. First hand data. Okay. And secondary data, they are collected by anybody else, but we use for our own use. For example, if we want to know that how much students have got first division in 10th class. So if you going to the students and getting information, that will be included in the primary data. But if you want to know the first division, number of first division students in 10th class, so if you go to the office and take print from the school that how many students have first division, so school already prepare a list of students, those who get merit in first division. So if we use that printing material for our information from the office, that is secondary source, because they already collected that information. They already prepare a list that these students are in merit, these students are in first division. Okay, so that is secondary data. Okay, so difference in primary and secondary data. Okay, so we will discuss about the difference in primary and secondary data. So first point is difference in originality. Okay, primary data are original because they are collected by the investigator. So these are always these are more original. Okay, these are original, but secondary data may or may not be original because these are already collected by someone else, but we use for our own information. So there can be difference in the originality because primary data are original, these are collected from the origin source, but secondary data already collected, we use published or unpublished sources. Okay, then difference in suitability of objective. Suitability of objective will mean that for whatever purpose data we are collected. So if we are collecting primary data, then there is no need of adjustment because we are collecting the data for our purpose, but if we are using secondary data sources, then there can be need of any adjustment in the data, because data which are already collected by someone else that we are using for our purpose, so purpose can be different, okay. So there can be need of some adjustment. Then difference in cost of collection. Obviously there is the difference between cost of collection. Primary data need more time, money, and they have higher cost, okay, because there is need of efforts. We need to go in the original place from where we need to collect the data, okay. We need time, we won't give our efforts. But in secondary sources there is need of less time, less cost, because these data are already published or unpublished, whatever, but we use for our own purpose. So secondary data are already in use, we use these data for our purpose only, okay. But primary data are first hand data, because these are collected by the investigator for their purpose, okay. So students, today we have discussed about the collection of data, meaning that what is data, any information that can be expressed in numerical number is called data. Then we talk about the primary and secondary sources, primary and secondary data, okay. Then difference between the primary data and secondary data, okay. So watch the video and also read from your book. If you face any doubt, any problem, you are